starting to increase.
This is a kitchen fire demonstration.
If you're presented with a situation, make sure you are getting somebody to ring 111, and if you can extinguish that fire safely, do so, but also ring 111. One of the things to remember too is if you put a fire out using a breadboard or whatever the case may be, when you smother that fire, leave it on the oven and of course make sure everything's turned off. Do not take it outside, because you have the potential to perhaps trip over and then you'll get very badly burnt. Once again, we're going to demonstrate when you put water onto a oil or fat fire, this is the things not to do.
Nice.
That happens, and then it's
everywhere.
Well, it's all over really.
You see that, Vicky?
Yeah, I saw that.
The water instantly turns to steam.
So we're going to put that fire out
the
now
oil
with a
out,
dry
turns into
powder fire
flamethrower,
extinguisher.
basically. It's pretty persistent, isn't it? Let's turn the gas off. Oh well,
As you can see, that's what we're breathing apparatus.
Let's certainly put
In
it
a
out.
situation like that is not very good. And I think we're pretty happy with that. The fire is out. All done. Thanks, guys. Well done. That concludes our demo this afternoon. Thanks for coming along. And make sure you check out the Fire Emergency New Zealand website for your fire safety tips. And of course, see the crew that are wandering around this afternoon. Get some handouts and also plenty of fire safety advice as well.
We're in the model railway hall now, and Vikey's just discovered the tree making. I'm going to make a tree.
So you dip it in there, okay, submerge it right on there, that's it, bring it out and just like that. Drop off, yep. And then just dip it in that one and then see what you get at the end of it. Okay, just knock that off.
Shake it off.
Shake it off, right. And then put it in there. Okay, same again, bring it out and shake it off.
Shake it off.
And then turn it over and there's your tree. That.
Oh, look at that! There you go. Oh, look at that! That's so awesome. So that's how they do it. That's
how you do it.
Wow. All little tricks. Now, does that have to dry off for a bit?
Yeah. You just give it a bit of a shake to make sure you get over in here, so you don't cook it on the floor. But yeah, most of that thing. And then I'll just dry off a little.
Yeah, Vikey.
There you go.
Amon, do you want to make a tree? See, that's cool.
Put down your fingers and then just pop it in there. Dip it in there. Straight out, that's it. Up again. Shake it off. And then just in there again. And take it out. And shake it off. Just give it a little big shake. And there you go, tree.
And what's the pigment stuff that you use?
This is just dyed sawdust. It's commercially available.
Yeah, you can buy it in packets for making this kind of stuff. Yeah, awesome. That's great. Look at some model railways here. Oh, this must be an end gauge. You can see there's the trees there, Vikey, see? pubs and stuff over there. Going to rescue one here. There he goes. Well, you wait till he comes out of the tunnel, and now wind the speed down. Look, wind it down to 0. See, he's stopped. See, look, wind it up again. Wind it up. He goes faster. Don't go too fast around the corners, or he might come off the track. See, there he is. You're in control, right? When he comes back around, wind him down to 0 and put him in reverse and see what he does. Okay, he's coming out now. Wait till he gets it down here somewhere. Stop him now. Stop him. Right, now throw that switch into reverse. Yep. Can you throw it? Oh, maybe it's blocked. Maybe you can't. Maybe it only goes forwards. Does it go into reverse?
I want to touch it.
You hold your tree for a minute. Let me just.
It'll tweak it.
I don't think it's blocked. I don't think it's blocked. No, I think it's just a stiff switch. Okay. Woo. Right. Nah, it's blocked. I think you can only make him go and stop. There you go. Because if you ran him real fast in reverse, he'd just derail all his carriages. Like this little windmill going around here. This is what they call garden railway layouts. You can actually put these in your garden. Well, you wouldn't want to put them in your house, would you? Yeah, have them going right around the garden. Hey, you can even have them doing things like bring you a cup of coffee and stuff.
All goes through the bushes and stuff.
Yeah, you build tunnels outside and stuff, and yeah, you make a real massive layout, you know.
Oh yeah, big one.
Yeah, we've got no room in our house for a model indoor railway, but outdoor one though, that was another story. But be the idea. You'd probably not want to use them in the bad weather. The tracks are probably okay to stay outside, but the trains themselves, you'd probably just bring them out when the weather's good. Some of them might be weatherproof, but I'd imagine a lot of them wouldn't be. What do you think, Bubs? What do you think? You just know there's a camera here now. Do you like the trains?
Cool, yeah, look, I made my own.
You made your own tree, yep.
Volts there.
Oh, yep.
That's a 12 volt one, and then this one here is,
Oh, there's 95 volts.
yes,
And it's all DC.
and if you look at them there, you've
Yep.
got what are those two?
Yeah, that one's 95 and that one's 12. Yeah.
Yeah, and they're both connected together,
Yep.
and so but they're not in series. So part of the thing is 95 volts.
Oh, right, and part of it's 12, but this
Yes.
is a local supply. And are these railway suppliers, are
Yes,
they, that
yes,
came with
yeah.
the machines? Right, but these are obviously fairly new supplies.
Yes,
they
they
would
are,
have
yes.
once
Well,
had,
no,
I
I
guess,
think originally they'd have been battery bands.
they would have been those Edison batteries, wouldn't
something
they?
like, must
Yeah.
be something like that. So yes, so you can see that's probably got a very high resistance.
Yeah, well, what's it say? Wow, If that's ohms, that's 30k each of those coils. Well, I
The
mean,
odd thing is, if you had a look at it, that only went one way.
right.
I don't think. Just hold it. If I did that,
Yeah, that goes to the left.
yeah. Can you just, you mind just holding that bell button down?
Yep.
Oh, there goes the needle.
Okay, just do it. Oh, no, that's it.
Oh, right.
Now that's that one there. Yeah, just hold it down.
Yep.
Okay. No.
Now it doesn't move at all.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just hold it. I'll do this one. Let your one go.
Yep.
Now push the switch one down. No, switch one.
It's going downwards.
Relay still stayed locked to the left, but the bell changed.
Yes. So, yeah, I haven't worked all that out.
It's quite crazy, isn't
But
it?
I gather there's also another box, a different one on the wall.
Right.
That's got something else in it as well. On it. So you can see there's a...
It's amazing they got these machines installed with this complexity. That's
Well, they had to, I suppose, to come up with something.
yeah.
I have come across where they just had a baton, and that was passed around where you only had one locomotive.
Right. Yeah. Just
It was on a branch line.
if you've got a token,
Yes.
token system, yeah.
Yes.
And what they had, I'm not sure if they had it in New Zealand, but in England they had the token that would actually unlock the points at one
Yeah,
end.
the New Zealand one did too.
They did that too.
Yes,
Yep. Actually, we've got one. We've got one at the station.
Yeah, is that right? I've seen one from the guy in Woodville. Well, go and see the guy in Woodville,
Oh yeah.
and he might be able to put. He's got a sort of museum
Yep.
in Fox Street, and I think Alan somebody else, Bradfordshire, not Bradfordshire, but something odd. But unfortunately, it's been painted yellow. Whether it's the same sort of to mix, go in the.
Oh yeah.
But see the beautiful wood that was originally.
Right. It was a wood grain finish. Yeah. People do that with old
80
stuff, don't they?
Yeah. Well, they might have.
And it's a bit of a pity, and you can strip it off, but it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's- So these signs here all change by solenoid, don't they?
no,
No,
they don't. Hold
they
on.
don't.
I just want to get this one going.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. It's not sitting down properly, but it works.
Yep.
So it's all
Yep.
better. No, what happens is you hold. No, wait a minute. You hold the switch down and pull that out.
Oh, actually, I'll put the phone. Film and do both.
See, you've changed the thing.
Oh, I see. So every time you withdraw that, it changes.
Yes.
So if I let this switch go, I can push this back in,
No,
or
you can't.
no, you've got to have that down when
Yes.
you
You can't touch it.
Oh, right.
It won't go. It's locked.
All right, it's done now.
Yeah.
So what will them? So you can't take this out yet either. No.
So that is another one. Unfortunately, it doesn't work out quite right. But that.
Oh,
gives you
so
another
that's saying
one.
up train's approaching. So
Yes,
that's why it
that's
won't
right.
let you have the
Yeah.
tablet. Because if you gave
Okay.
that to someone, you'd been.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's because your train wants to go from here to there.
Yep.
So now you hold down the bell,
Hold down the bell.
and I hold this down, and I can open this right up.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
And I can take that out.
Okay.
Now you can let go. Now take that. Put it in the top.
Oh, right. We can open it up and put it in here.
Yeah.
Push it in.
Yes. Right in. Now you can push that bottom one in.
Okay. Now I can push it in.
Yeah. And now
Right.
it's gone back to close.
Okay.
Now this one here, I've got Up Train Online. That's the other one.
Yep.
Now that you've done that, I can then. I think you have to then hold the bell one down. And now the line's closed.
Oh, yep. So these windows are purely operated by that slide.
That's right.
And what controls of when the slide can work, I
Well,
guess.
there are two solenoids.
Yep. So
And they've got to work in conjunction
so it's the interlock between those two solenoids
on that slide.
on the slide. Yep.
Yeah. And I haven't come to grips with how they
Right.
work.
Yeah.
because if you want to operate them manually, because if you get something out of sequence,
Yep.
you want to get it back to square one.
Right.
And all I've done then is pulled and pushed, and suddenly it seemed to come right, and I hadn't worked out
Yep.
what exactly.
And there's a
I've done.
solenoid on this top one as well to lock that as well?
No, there isn't.
No, there
locked.
isn't.
That's never locked.
Oh, that's never locked.
Yeah, you can open
okay.
it out.
So you can always just pull that out and put it in.
Yeah.
So that's just basically a way of putting the token in.
That's right. But there's a set of contacts at the back,
So it knows when you've...
and when you put a token in,
Yep.
you trip a set of contacts that stay closed.
Oh, they say...
Until you've pushed all these in.
So that's mechanical?
Well, it's a bit of both.
Oh, yeah.
So that the token then slides down to here.
Yep.
Now, if you run out of tokens here, you then end up with that is locked and you can't pull it out.
Right.
Mechanically locked.
Yep.
And you've got to then get into it.
Okay.
So that's why I've got to make sure there's always...
Always a token in
Yes.
there. So otherwise you'd have to dismantle the machine to get...
Yeah, I had to do that.
Right.
And sometimes they had to do that because if you kept having trains going the same way,
It would get...
yes, they would migrate to one of them.
So how come you can't just put another one in here? Don't the ones in there end up down there?
Yes.
Oh, but if you
So
pull
you probably could.
But if you pull too many out...
You probably could put one in.
Oh, you
Right.
could, if you had
Yes,
one.
Yes.
If
yeah.
you had one.
But
Yeah.
Yes. But I didn't have a spare one, and I couldn't get one. But there's a lot more to it, and if you put a key in there and turn it, then one of these comes into play. And
Oh,
it goes out.
right,
And I still
right.
haven't got my head
Right.
around exactly. how-
Yeah, wow. Yeah, I mean, the one we've got in Shannon, it's not in very good condition.
Okay, well, go to the
It
guy.
may have bits missing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go to the guy in, and I said, I don't know how all these are connected together. Because I've only just discovered that there was a second type of box, and that's got
Yeah.
a relay in it as
Yep.
well. And you can see we haven't got the key, but you can see there's a.
Oh, right.
There's the key.
Yep, the big key that...
Yeah, so
that
you can see where it's been.
Yep.
Which is a good place to put it.
So that's... Yeah, the key's right there, which doesn't make it very secure, does it?
Yes, it does.
Oh, it does?
Yes, because say you've got these three here, and I don't
Yeah.
know, I could be putting you slightly wrong, and you've got station A, B, and C, right?
Right.
At night, B goes home. It's
Okay.
only a small one, and you don't want to man it.
Yep.
24 hours, okay? And you use the outside ones.
Right.
So somehow you've got to have a different token because it's got to have A, C written on it.
Right, yep, true.
And it has had A there, and you can't suddenly change it. So somehow or the other, you've got to, get it out. Now, to me, you'd have to have another set somewhere along the line. But to close this guy down,
Yep.
or to open him up, and he has to be able to turn the key right round, right?
Right, yep.
He's also got a button on the side
Oh.
there.
Oh, so it's not just the key. The key...
No, it's not just the key.
Right.
But further than that, A and C have to hold down their bell buttons.
To allow him to turn the key?
Yes.
Right, okay.
So you have to have all three people
So it's-
at their stations.
Wow, so it's more electromechanical interlocking there.
That's right.
Yep, so it doesn't matter if the key...
It's all here.
Right, so it doesn't matter if the key just sits up there.
No, that's
No.
why it doesn't matter.
Yep.
On it. So you heard that solenoid go, and that allows somehow or other the key. But you still only go halfway with it.
Yep. So these tokens that were in there, are they the originals or are they
That one
replicas?
that I took out wasn't,
Yep.
but some of them are. Well, because they've got station names on it.
Yep.
And that one didn't have anything on it.
Right.
But they should. All the rest of them have got station names
Yep.
on it.
Yep.
On the thing, and so you have to have. And they were every quarter of an hour travel time on the railway, approximately.
Yep.
Originally, put in.
Oh, every quarter of an hour there's a token.
No, every quarter of an hour there'd be a station.
Oh, okay, that was their thing. So, so there'd be a station, and if it had one of these machines, it would have its own token. Every station would have one of these, wouldn't they?
Yeah, well, two.
So
One north, one
yeah.
south. They were north and south.
Yeah.
So if you take, but then some had more if they were switched out.
Oh, yep.
Cross Creek had one. So you had one at Summit.
Yep.
One at Cross Creek. One at Pigeon Bush,
Yep.
one at Featherston,
Oh, yeah, yep.
one at Woodside, which is 10 minutes away.
Yep.
But nowadays, because it might be longer with steam. One at Woodside, another one at Carlton,
Yeah.
another one, I think, at the where the freezing works was.
Right.
Well, starts with W, and then another one at Masterton.
Yep.
So that's quite a few
Yeah.
originally. Yeah.
So there'd be 2 machines at each of those stations.
No, more than that.
More than that.
If they were switched out.
And they were switched out, they'd use a different pair.
Yeah, I think so, yes.
Yep.
That's, as I see it, but
Yep, right.
Or to get the tablet to said the right thing on
Yep,
it.
yep.
But unfortunately, the person who I think I told you is, and the guy in Woodville was an engine driver, he didn't know these that well.
Right, yep.
He was in charge of the engine drivers. It was huge. I didn't realise how big it had been. There was something like 160 staff at Woodville, and now there's none.
Right, yeah, none at all.
The big engine sheds, which
Yep.
I didn't realise at the sort of east end of Woodville, of the out of sight almost.
Yeah.
But you can see, this one here would have just been, there's some at Cross Creek there,
Yep.
and that would be number 18, they're all numbered.
Yep.
On it.
Wow, that's cool. There you go, Amon. You're going to make a donation to the lantern. And Vikey.
Yeah.
There we go. Yay. And there's little bubbly bubs, so it's really awesome that they let us hang around here and serve us bubs.
Yep.
And there's the fowl. We're about to head off. Right.